ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। जय श्री हरि विष्णु भगवान। जय महालक्ष्मी माता। Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you about Akshay Tritiya Vrat Katha. So let's start the video. Lord Shri Krishna says to Dharmaraj Yudhishthir, O Parth, in ancient times there was a Vaishya named Mahoday. Mahoday was very truthful, soft-spoken, pure heart and worshipped the gods and Brahmins. He loved to listen to various types of virtuous stories. If he got even a little time from his daily work, he would go to listen to satsang, etc. Despite being distracted by other work, his mind was always engrossed in the contemplation of the scriptures. One day, on the way, he heard some sages describing the importance of Akshay Tritiya associated with Rohini Nakshatra. That sage was saying that Akshay Tritiya, when combined with Wednesday, is going to give great and innumerable results. Lord Narayan, Haigriv, and Parshuram were incarnated on the day of Akshay Tritiya. On this rare occasion, the donations, havan, worship, etc., deeds done give eternal results. Whatever donation, havan, worship, or tarpan is done for the gods and ancestors on this day, its virtue never diminishes. After hearing the greatness of Akshay Tritiya fast from the sages, the Vaishya started thinking in his mind that this is a very good fast, hence, I should also earn the benefits of it. Thinking this, the Mahoday reached the banks of Ganga. He offered the sacred water of Ganga to his ancestral deities for tarpan. After performing the tarpan, he returned home and donated 2 pitchers of water, khand or batasha, salt, yav or barley, godhum, dadyodana, curd and rice, reed, and various types of milk products to the Brahmins as per his capacity with full devotion. Hey Parth, the heart of his wife was trapped in the bondage of the great illusion that is Maya. Therefore, she kept trying her best to stop her charitable husband from doing charity, etc. But due to his very generous and kind nature, he was always engrossed in religious activities, etc. While living a happy life, that Vaishya finally attained salvation by thinking about the Lord. Hey Yudhishthir, in his next birth, Mahoday Vaishya was born as a Kshatriya at a place called Kushavapuri. He got infinite happiness and wealth in this birth. Making good use of his wealth, he performed great yajnas and havans and provided excellent dakshina. Various types of cow donations, gold donations, food donations, and donations of various items were made. Helped the poor, beggars, and blind as much as possible. Despite doing so much charity, his wealth did not end. Even in this life, Mahoday enjoyed the best types of pleasures and lived a noble life. This was the effect of the Akshay Tritiya fast observed by the Mahoday in his previous birth. In his previous birth, he gave up the attachment to wealth and opulence and did good deeds like charity, havan, etc. selflessly, as a result of which he got inexhaustible wealth in this birth. Hey Parth, in this way, the description of the story and greatness of Akshay Tritiya is completed. So listen to the rules of this fast. On the day of Tritiya, one should take a bath, worship Lord Vasudev, and perform deity tarpan, etc. Food should be taken only once a day. On the day of Akshay Tritiya, Yav or barley havan is performed. On this auspicious occasion, a pitcher full of water along with kanak, shad ras grains, yav, godhum, chanak that is gram, satua and dadyodan should be donated. In this fast, donating seasonal fruits etc. grown in the summer season is also considered very important. On the conjunction of Vaishak Tritiya and Rohini Nakshatra, Lord Shiva is worshipped and Uda Kumbh Dan is offered. One who does this attains Shivlok. The mantra of Ghat Dan is as follows: Ud Kumbh Dan Mantra. एष धर्मघटो दत्तो ब्रह्म विष्णु शिवात्मकः अस्य प्रदानतृप्यन्तु पितरो अपि पितामहा गन्धोदकतिलयमिश्रं सान्नं कुम्भं साक्षिणां पितृभ्यः सम्प्रदास्यामि अक्षयमुपतिष्ठतु. It means, I donate this ghat in the form of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. May my ancestors and great grandfathers be satisfied with this donation. I am donating the ghat along with myrrh, sesame seeds, food, and dakshina. This donation may become eternal for the ancestors. O innocent one, on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, whatever beloved thing is donated to God like umbrella, shoes, cow, land, gold, and clothes, etc., it becomes inexhaustible if it is dedicated to Lord Shri Krishna. Hey Parth, I have told you the entire importance and rituals of Akshaya Tritiya. There is nothing secret between you and me. The chanting, penance, Havan sacrifice, charity, and charity done on this date never gets destroyed, and the worship and offerings for the gods and ancestors provide inexhaustible results. That is why it is called Akshaya Tritiya. In this way, the ritual of Akshaya Tritiya fast described in Bhavishya Puran was completed. Description of fasting on Akshaya Tritiya is also found in Vishnu Dharmottar Puran. According to Vishnu Dharmottar Puran, fasting on the day of Vaishakh Shukla Tritiya results in inexhaustible virtue. When it is associated with Kritika Nakshatra, its effect becomes greater, and one gets eternal results of all the auspicious deeds done. According to Puranas, during the fast of Akshaya Tritiya, Lord Akshat is worshipped. The person who, on this date, after taking bath with holy water, offers Akshat and Sattu to Lord Vishnu, and who offers Sattu and Pakwan to Brahmins after doing home with Sattu and Akshat, attains the fruit of Akshay Punya. Hey Bhrigunandan, one who observes the fast of even one Tritiya by following the above rules gets the results of the fast of all the Tijs. In this way, the Akshaya Tritiya fast described in Vishnu Dharmottar Puran was completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Jai Shri Hari Vishnu Bhagwan, Jai Mahalakshmi Mata. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Hare Krishna.